on earth, how to locate the places on earth, isn't it? Till here we had finished now, isn't it, children? Are you there? So here till there we had. I'll just show you now the. One minute.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will do the locate. Now we will start with longitudes and the time. Now what is this? I will tell you. Now in Asian period, okay, before now everybody has this clock, isn't it? But before the invention of clock, how the people used to measure the time? Can anybody just tell me?
Ma'am, seeing the sunlight.
Seen the sunlight, yes. Now the yes, can you see the small clock over there?
Yes,
Not actually, it is not a clock, but it is a pole. Okay, as you said, seeing the sunlight, what they used to say, seeing the shadow actually. Okay, this, this pole is to be there, and as the sunlight falls, is it used to show. Can you see the shadow over here?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, as the earth, now everybody knows how the earth rotates from east to west or west to east. How the earth rotates?
East to west.
Huh?
East to west.
West to east. It rotates from west to east. The earth rotates every time from west to east. So, in the anti-clockwise, it does not rotate on clockwise, it rotates in anti-clockwise. So the direction or the places in the east have sunrise earlier than those in the west. Now whichever places are there in the east will have first the sunrise, then to the west. So therefore the time varies from one longitude to the another. For example, now the people who are having breakfast in Delhi, the people who are in London will go fast asleep. So this is the time, means the time varies from one longitude to another longitude. But now tell me, if each and everybody would uh, would have that time, okay, different times, what would happen then? Tell me. So there is a local time. If we set our watches to the correct time at 12 noon, what does 12 noon means? Afternoon. Okay, afternoon, when our longitude is directly under the sun, the time shown is said to be the local time. Similarly, all the meridians to the east and west will have their own particular local time. Now, just see here. Show you here. Okay, see here. Now each longitude will have different times, as I told you, the longitudes, each longitude has a different time. So similarly, all meridians to the east and the west will have their own particular time, means own local time. So, a system of time zone has been adopted since 1884 to avoid the confusion of a frequent change of the time when moving from one place to another. Now, give you one example. Are you there, children? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
तो हाँ हूँ कुछ तो बोलो ना. कोई भी कुछ नहीं बोल रहा है, कैसे मुझे समझ में आएगा आप लोग हो या नहीं? हम लोग विल गिव यू वन एग्जाम्पल। नाउ किसके किसके रिलेटिव्स कहाँ कहाँ पे है, इतने ही नियर बाय के मुझे बताइए। Now you must have been having some relatives ना? ओके चलो एक बात बताते हैं। नाउ इफ आई हैव माय रिलेटिव पुणे, ओके आई एम गिविंग यू वन एग्जांपल, ओके पुणे में अभी लॉन्टिट्यूड चेंज मतलब व्हाट विल हैपन, यहाँ का टाइम और वहां का टाइम व्हाट विल हैपन, इट विल वेरी by some time. If it is 8 here, it will be something 8:30 or 9 o'clock over there. Okay, so I will tell I will come there at 9 o'clock, but there the timings will be different. It will be say as 9:30 or 10 o'clock. So it is a confusion now. I am telling from here that I am going to come there at this time, but if due to this timings there will be a confusion, isn't it, of the time. So if I move from one place to another, so in 1884, to avoid such confusing things, they have set a system called as time zone. Now what is this time zone, we will see. By international agreement, the world is divided into 24 time zones or belts. Now, only we can't set the time zone to India. सिर्फ इंडिया के लिए टाइम जोन रहेगा. From India, we can travel to America, we can go to Pakistan, we can go to South Africa, isn't it? So there again it will become a problem. So there are 24 time zones or belts. Okay, there might be. So each time zone covers 15 degrees of longitude. To study this, look at the map of time zones given. Here you can see this time zone on page number 112. So the prime meridian passes through the Royal. Here you can see the Greenwich near the London. It is used as the starting point. The local time here is known as the Greenwich, means the time or the GMT. It is the short form of Greenwich Mean Time. What is the short form of Greenwich Mean Time? GMT. Now, while before 1917, we calculated time based on the longitudinal distance from Greenwich Meridian. मतलब ये जो Greenwich Prime Meridian, can you see at the point of zero? At the point of zero, you can see that. So from there the time is to be started, but which is a specific time zone we know now as the coordinated universal time, that is UTC, which is the standard time. Now what is this standard time? I will explain you. Here, what do we have standard, why do we have the standard time? Now time on different meridians is bound to the different, to be different, isn't it? I told you on every longitude the time will vary. So time lag of about 1 hour and 45 minutes between Dwarka and the means from one place to another, it will be the problem. Again the problem will be like, if I want to catch my train, if I want to go by the train from one place to another, I will see my time at 12 noon if I want to go, but there the time will be different. So again there will be an issue like this. So we have adopted the standard time. Okay, so most countries selected a central meridian as the standard meridian, so to avoid this confusion, keeping time over different parts of the country, so the local time of the standard meridian becomes the standard time for the country, means that particular. Now in India you can see here, India, there is one meridian going here. Okay, so India's longitude is like from 68.7 east to 97.25. Okay, it has been extended to this there, which is not too large. But the 82.30 east longitudes, which runs almost through the center of the country near Allahabad, is therefore taken a standard meridian for the whole country. Now this is the India's, okay, I'm talking about India's longitude on 82 degrees 30 east longitude, okay, which runs near the Allahabad. The local time here is called the Indian Standard Time, that is IST, and it is about 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead from the UTC. And GMT means the time varies. Now I'll tell you. Now here it is uh, quarter to one. Now here it is quarter to one. But if you go to South Africa, there it will be 4.5 hours behind. पहले हो जाएगा, means it is still there morning over there in South Africa. So this is every country will choose one standard time for their whole country, means one latitude, sorry, one longitude as standard time for their own country. So this is why we have a standard time for each country. So this is all was about the time till here. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Yes, children, are you all there? कहाँ पे
Yes,
हो?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
अरे हाँ तो बोलो, हूँ तो बोलो, कुछ भी नहीं बोलते हो आप.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
You all are there na? Okay. So till here you have any problem? I'm asking you that. Otherwise we will go to a international date line. Now what is this international date line? You can see on page number 113.
No, ma'am.
On page number 113, you can see the international date line. It is a little bit crooked. Okay. Why, I will tell you. Now as we have standard times, the same way the date will vary. As I told you, the people who are having breakfast in Delhi, the people who are in London will go fast asleep. So
Yes, ma'am.
it will again vary. The date also will vary. If it is today we have 19, there it will be 20. One date will be थोड़ा सा पहले आ जाएगा, isn't it? So by international agreement, the 180-degree meridian is called the international date line, and it is 180 degrees both east and west. You can see there on page number 12. On page number 12, you can see that. Now there it is exactly 12 hours away from the prime meridian. See here. It is exactly 12 hours away from the prime meridian in either direction. If we move from the right, means western hemisphere, to the left to the eastern hemisphere of one degree line, we get ahead by a day or we lose a day. That is what I told you. The people who are having breakfast in Delhi will go fast asleep in लंदन. मतलब एक यहाँ पे जग के ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहा है तो वहां पे एक जन सो के इट विल बी द नेक्स्ट डे. If we are in 19, they will be on 20th fast asleep there. So we So either we if we go like this or go like if we go from the right, that is the western hemisphere, to the left to the eastern hemisphere, so either we are ahead a day or we lose a day behind. मतलब एक तो दिन पहले है, नहीं तो एक तो दिन बाद में है. So now whenever this ship or these aeroplanes, whoever are crossing this line, therefore they change their date on their calendar. So this is called as international date line. Means each uh, each country will have their own date, means that day on which they are how is the standard time according to that. So this date line is called as international date line. So till here, is it clear to everybody? If you have any problems, children, you can ask me. Is there any problem? No problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who is this?
Yes.
कोई है क्या बीच में?
No, ma'am.
So who's okay? Now this was all about the globes and latitudes and longitudes. In the next class, when we will meet, here we have finished with this lesson. In the next class, we will be starting with a new lesson. That is which you know.
Yes, ma'am.
We will start with a new lesson. Next class, that is from the social and political life. We will start. I think so. You are not able to hear me, or where there is a internet